AMC stock update. Okay guys, so here we are with another AMC video guys. So a lot of important news going on today on Wednesday, March the 18th, as well as some great results that we've seen so far from AMC stock guys. So we're going to talk a little bit more about basically what's been going on with AMC stock lately and why I've had to basically bump up my price prediction and my price target. Before we get into the video guys, be sure to check out Webull. You get 2 free stocks when you sign up using the link in the description below. You can go to investortrip.com/Webull, grab your 2 free stocks by depositing at least $100 guys. So let's get back into AMC. So some awesome news right now. So as you guys probably are already familiar, right now the House Financial Services Committee is still investigating these meme stocks, so GameStop and AMC and some of these other ones that basically saw that huge run up back in January, and they're just basically trying to investigate the whole short squeeze and things like that, because right now what's been going on is that a lot of people have been using YouTube and Twitter and Reddit as a hedge fund. So finally, retail investors like us, we've gotten smart and we realized that we can support certain stocks, buy them up, and make money just like hedge funds have been doing for decades guys. So they're just trying to investigate, but really in reality there's really not much they can simply do to stop people from buying GameStop or anything like that. The only thing that they could do is simply obviously reduce buying power like Robinhood did in the past. But that's one of the reasons why I don't use Robinhood anymore guys, simply because I prefer Webull. So if you guys want to switch to Webull, be sure to check the link in the description below. I think Robinhood is one of the worst culprits when it comes to basically controlling your accounts, and they don't have things like beneficiaries and stuff like that. But I digress guys. So let's get back into the AMC news. So I thought that was really important to talk about this because there could perhaps be some new legislation in the process that could affect stocks like AMC. So we have some other news, is that it looks like more stimulus checks will be hitting people's bank accounts today and in the next couple of days. So that's good news. There should be a lot more buying power towards stocks like AMC and GameStop, because a lot of people have been focusing on these stocks of late. And AMC is one of the most held stocks in all of these trading apps like Robinhood and Webull and Fidelity and things like that. So we could have some more buying power to AMC stock. But I saved the best news for last guys. So I was checking out this article posted by thedeadline.com, and it says on March 16th, it says AMC has sellout showtimes in LA on Monday, where Burbank Theater pauses Tuesday. So check this out guys. It says great news for AMC, which threw its doors open to its Century City and Burbank locations. After a year of being shut down, the #1 Circuit's Burbank location sold out 22 of 32 showtimes, while Century City sold out 18 of 30 showtimes. So obviously capacity was capped at 25%, but the good news is that there are some sellouts, so that demand is there, and that demand should only increase more and more as people get more comfortable with going outside and things like that. So obviously I do think Netflix is a great long play, but there's something here. So we're going to talk a little bit more about where I think this stock is going and why I'm a little bit even more excited about AMC as we head into the summertime. So as we head back to the charts guys, we can take a look here at this chart for AMC. So the first thing I want to take a look at is we're looking at a long-term chart here. First thing I want to talk about is the relative strength index guys. So I know a lot of you guys have been kind of bashing me in the comments about relative strength index, but it's very important guys. You can use this to your advantage. So if you see here, the last time AMC stock soared to $20, if you used the RSI, you would have seen that it was an RSI over like 95, which is way over the overbought levels that are usually at 70. So you could have used the RSI to your advantage and gotten out of that trade without losing your shirt. So I think it's really important for especially beginners to know about the relative strength index, because it really gives you a bird's eye view of what the stock is doing, right? So basically we have simple rules. If it's over 70, it's considered overbought. If it's below 30, it's considered oversold. So right now, AMC sitting at around RSI of around 66, so it's still at a good price. I don't think it's too expensive, and I've also bumped up my price target because there's been plenty of support. If you can see right here, we could just simply draw a support line at $5.35, $8, $9, about $10, and another support level at around $13. So this stock is on the move, and the buyers have come in and lifted this stock, and it looks like we're going to fill this cup at $20. So initially I said I was going to sell at 17, but since I've been reading some articles and it says that these theaters are selling out at only 25% capacity, well, if they're going to sell at 25% capacity, I assume they're going to sell out at 50%. 75% and 100% capacity, so I'm even more bullish than I was before. So now I have to bump up my price target because I thought that by the summertime the stock was going to be around $20, but it looks like it might hit $20 by even April, perhaps May. So I'm thinking that to take a double of basically what we're looking at right here, so we're looking at the stock is around $13 per share. So first we're going to take a look at the market cap. Okay, so here we are over at Yahoo Finance. So right now the market cap for AMC is a $4.5 billion company, guys. So like I said, this company is severely undervalued. A lot of the basically a lot of the negative news and the whole pandemic is severely priced into the stock, and it still hasn't recovered. So if we take a look here, we can see that obviously the pandemic really hurt revenue, and for a couple of months there AMC basically had zero revenue, guys. And when they were recently reported their latest quarter, okay, so I just want to quickly talk about that revenue. So if you go to Yahoo, you can see the trailing 12 months is 1.24 billion, but of course a lot of those losses took where there's basically a couple quarters where AMC didn't generate any revenue. So these numbers look really bad, but I still think that the stock is undervalued. So if you take a look at these numbers, we can see that AMC's revenue for the most recent quarter in Q4 2020 was 162 million, so it was down almost 90%, guys. So if we were to basically increase that number, basically around 10x, something like that, assuming that the revenue will bounce back, that means that at full capacity with things normal, AMC could generate about 1.5 billion per quarter, which will give them an annual revenue, assuming things went back to normal, of around 5 to 6 billion. So that means that assuming things bounce back to normal and demand for AMC movies and things like that, people go out to watch movies, is super high, that would put the revenue basically back at around the $5 to $6 billion range, which is more than the entire market cap right now. So that's why I think the stock is completely undervalued, and I'm going to have to bump up my price target to basically around $26 or so. So I'm kind of looking at a $9 billion market cap for AMC stock basically by the end of the summer in August, when we're basically going to see I think theater sales and revenue and all this stuff is going to bounce back, and I think that's going to be its peak. So I initially had a price target of around like $17 where I wanted to sell the stock, but I didn't expect the sellout to happen this fast, so I'm going to double my price target to around $26, which gives the stock around 2x upside. But one of the nice things I like about AMC stock is that you really don't have to trade it. You can just buy and hold it, because we all know that things aren't going to really kick off until the summertime, guys. So this is a really exciting news to see the theaters sell out. And I hope you guys dig into some of those financials. You can take a look at yourself. I'll post those links in the description. But I still think AMC stock is completely undervalued. So I'm going to be posting more videos on AMC, guys, because we're constantly getting news feed dripped and things like that. So I'll make sure to keep this up to date. Perhaps I'll make a video every trading day to give you guys some information if you guys are swing trading this stock. But right now it just looks like an awesome long-term hold, at least until August. Once the stock hits around $20 to $25, I'll probably get out of it and probably move on to something else. And then we quickly take a look at the 1 month chart here. We can see that this stock has been really easy to basically trade, basically selling into strength and buying dips if you're looking to swing trade this stock with a slow movement upwards. So that's it until next time, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video on AMC stock. Be sure to smash the like button, enjoy my content, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And be sure to check out my daily stock watch newsletter and subscribe to my Discord chat room. Talk more about these meme stocks like AMC and GameStop. So that's it until next time, guys. Take care.